Alright, so today we are trying some Meguiar's Iron Decon versus W6 Iron Remover and the Gyeon Iron Remover. Apply it liberally on the car. There you go. Each one you let it sit for a couple minutes.
Spritz, spritz. One more time.
Alright, we're going to let that sit for a couple minutes and run. We usually use the one in the center, which is Meguiar's Iron Decon. The one on the left is Gtechniq W6 Iron and General Fallout Remover. The one on the right is Gyeon Q2M Iron Remover. As you can see, it's actually working very well already, all three products. Don't really see a heavy difference on them. I like them all right now. Seems like the Gtechniq one is pulling more out, or it could just have more iron in that one spot. They all look very good, to be honest. Alright, so we let that sit for about a minute. All of them are actually pretty equal. Looks like it, there's a lot of iron fallout on both sides right there. Very common on the rears of the cars. So, I actually like all three of them. Now we're just going to rinse them off and see how they look. Alright, so after using all three products, they're actually all very equal in comparison. I would say the only thing is the actual ease of use. The Gyeon Iron Remover says to wash the car thoroughly, then use this. Basically remove all the contaminants. The W6 is rinse the car off with a stronger stream of water, pressure washer, a strong stream of water, and then put it on. But Meguiar's Iron Decon, you can spray directly onto a non-clean surface, dry, doesn't need to be wet. They actually prefer you not to wet it, so it's more concentrated and it eats it up faster. So if I had a choice, I would say the Iron Decon solely because of the ease of use. Other than that, I think all of them are equal in how they actually perform.